Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can do Uber Eats and Doordash at the same time. Are they possible or they are not? So basically just open up your Doordash and download it. So there are two apps in the App Store, which is one for delivery and one for eating purpose. So first of all you have to basically download this Dash Become a Dasher app, and then you have to successfully sign in and register in this. After this you can also do the same for the Uber Eats. After doing that, what you need to do is, Uber Eat and DoorDash are distinct companies, but they all make use of food delivery apps. So you need to understand the requirement to become a DoorDash driver as well as Uber Eat. Yes, you can. It is important you partner with a multiple delivery platforms. Uber Eats doesn't stops you from doing DoorDash. You need it because it opens up more possibilities than only driving for a single food app. Driving for both DoorDash and Uber Eats is a good avenue to make extra money in your bank account. Moreover, you need to meet the minimum criteria for driving both platforms with vehicle recruitment inclusives. So basically, you can do both of these. You just need to log in both of the apps and start delivering. Make sure you follow some of the guidelines which I'm going to tell you. First is, you can make use of two smartphones to drive for multiple companies. If you don't have two smartphones, then one is also recommended. Also, keep your miles and items down. Dollar up is the main motto. You can go offline or pause the other app the moment you accept delivery. So, this is very important. Remain offline if you are not where you want to be until you are in an area where you want. So, this will help you get more customers at the same time and increase your revenue in total.